It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 22nd of November. I'm Michael Groff. Hey, we continue with dry conditions and temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages for the next several days. Thanksgiving is looking absolutely perfect, as is the upcoming holiday weekend. But a change in the weather pattern does look a bit more likely as we head toward next week. All right, a lot going on. Let's talk about it. First, we'll take a look at that almanac from yesterday as we take a look at a live shot from Las Vegas. By the way, you're wondering, why are we looking at a picture of Las Vegas? Because none of the webcams in Phoenix have a very good view to take a look at right now, other than my background there of the Cardinal Stadium. Anyway, looking at the almanac, 74 degrees, the afternoon high yesterday, 47 the morning low, normal high 74, the normal low 52. And look at that sunset now, 5:22 p.m., almost as early as it gets, just 2 minutes away from that mark. As we take a look outside right now here, just before 6:10 a.m., we've got clear sky around the area right now. We've got 50 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point 26, humidity 40%, winds are calm, barometer steady. The upper air weather pattern across the nation shows a split flow here across the continental United States, the northern branch of the jet, where all the cold air is. Further off to the north now, we have a system going through the Pacific Northwest and Western Canada. A couple of waves on the southern branch. Those are very dry for us, producing some rain, though, across parts of the southeast U.S. Another wave is going to come in here today. We'll see some clouds around. We have a few clouds out there now coming in, and we'll see a mix of sun and clouds through the day today. But other than that, temperatures will remain very pleasant. The watch warning map, almost nothing to talk about across the nation. Again, some winter weather issues over parts of Washington, northern Idaho, and western Montana. Otherwise, just no real high impact events across the nation. And so, too, the convective outlook is extremely quiet. There might be a rumble of thunder across parts of Florida, but no organized severe weather to talk about. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week, coming from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, maybe, just maybe we could see a little something way out there at the very end of this period, maybe late next Monday or Tuesday. As the weather pattern does appear, it will begin to change about that time. And we'll talk about that and everything else going on right now, including that Thanksgiving forecast as we get to the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It is the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. And you can see the pattern has de-amplified across much of North America. That huge ridge that we had up across Alaska, Western Canada, that is dissipated now. And so we have kind of a split flow going on. The polar jet, or the main belt of westerlies, remains to the north. The southern branch around here, a weak wave coming through today. So what it means down at the surface, mix of sun and clouds. High temperatures today should be in the low to middle 70s. Tonight, some clouds around, especially in the evening. Then we'll see decreasing clouds overnight with lows in the 40s. And then tomorrow, more of the same. Mostly sunny sky returns and high temperatures, low 70s. Now, here's Thanksgiving Day, and it should be absolutely Chamber of Commerce picture perfect here. Sunny sky, high temperatures, low 70s. And Friday, Black Friday, yeah, sunny sky and highs low 70s. And the weekend, almost a carbon copy. Sunny to mostly sunny sky for both Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures each day should be in the low 70s with overnight lows in the 40s. Now, as we go to next week, here we go. The pattern begins to change. We see a trough beginning to dive down the west coast. Moisture will start to increase about that time. We should see an increase in clouds by Monday. And some of our model guidance even suggests a small chance of rain coming in here by maybe Monday night. This run of the GFS would suggest the rain holds off on Monday and we stay dry. But high temperatures might start to fall back towards 70, which is still about where we ought to be for this time of year. And then there's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 29th, that trough now coming through. And as it does, yeah, rain and mountain snow would come in here if this is correct. We've seen some different looks out here, but it does appear that a period of cooler and unsettled weather is looking more likely for the first half of next week. And so we'll watch for that, and high temperatures should fall off. In fact, we might be down into the mid-60s. Then taking a look out 10 days, this is Thursday. It's the 1st of December, the start of meteorological winter. We've got another trough coming down the west coast at us, southwesterly flow here, some clouds around, and rain off to the west and northwest of us. But for the moment, that would be a dry look. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix off the GFS ensemble, and this goes out through the 6th of December. And again, quite a few of the members are starting to pick up on the idea of some rain out here about the earlier middle part of next week. The ensemble mean continues to trend up now over 1/4 of an inch. So, yeah, we could see some precipitation out that time. At this point, we're not expecting significant rainfall, but we'll keep an eye on model trends. And then temperatures off of the national blend of models. Very persistent forecast for the next several days with highs low to mid 70s, overnight lows in the 40s. And then we'll see that drop in temperatures as we get out toward next week, probably only in the mid 60s with that possibility of some rain. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only Michelle. And you guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please be safe out there and have yourselves an epic Tuesday.